Meaning of extremity.
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 Extremity. The term extremity refers to the furthest point or limit of something. It can be used in various contexts, such as referring to the far end of a limb or the outermost edge of a geographical location. The word is often associated with the notion of a boundary or threshold beyond which something cannot continue or exist. At its core, extremity conveys the idea of reaching the end or limit of something, and it is used to describe the furthest extent or degree to which something can be taken or pushed.